You aren't poor because you lack money. You're poor because you've been programmed to stay safe. Today, we delete the script.
The middle class trades their life for a paycheck. They buy liabilities to look rich, while their bank account screams for help. The elite don't work for money. They build systems that work for them. They understand that comfort is the graveyard of greatness. Stop asking, how much does it cost? And start asking, what is the ROI? Your mindset is the only thing standing between you and the millions. Freedom has a price. You will lose friends. You will be called crazy. But you'll be the only one laughing from the penthouse. Kill your ego. Buy assets, not toys. Master a high-income skill and leverage debt like a weapon. The game is rigged, so learn to play it. The rat race is for those who believe in cages. You don't belong there. Subscribe to claim your seat at the table. This is Black Card Mindset. Own your destiny.